Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to delete the Snapchat AI. For that, you need to open Snapchat. I want to let you know that deleting the Snapchat AI is not possible because it is an on-built features on the Snapchat. But what you can do is you can simply go to the chats on the bottom of the screen. You can see the chat icon. Tap on it and you will be access to this chat where on the top you can see the My AI. Instead of deleting Snapchat AI because it's not possible, you can just hide the Snapchat AI and unpin the Snapchat AI. Simply tap and hold this My AI and here you can see the chat setting. Tap on chat setting and you can see the hide chats. Tap on hide chat and tap 24 hours after viewing, and after 24 hours the chat will be unhidden from the chat and it will be unpinned on the Snapchat. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.